Hi, I'm Shanika Center. I'm the Virtual Content Specialist for Middle School Science for multilingual learners and English language learners. This is the third video for the week of 5/24. Students are going to complete the flowchart for Unit 5, Day 10, where they're talking about the problem and cause and effect of human overpopulation. Hi, I'm Shanika Center. I'm the Virtual Content Specialist for Middle School Science for English language learners and multilingual learners. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your flowchart for Unit 5, Day 10's activity, where you're going to be asked to diagram the problem that we've been talking about, human population and human impact, in a cause and effect format, and show you how to answer some of the questions. I'm going to show you how to create a flowchart that has your defined problem, the problem diagrammed as a cause and effect. You're going to answer questions about the criteria of success, the constraints, and the most feasible place for humans to intervene in this process that you're diagramming. So before we get started, let's review some vocabulary that you're going to need to know for this activity. So cause is an act or action that results in something. So in this picture here, the cause is someone pushing down these blocks. An effect is the result of something. So in the same picture, the cause is the person pushing the blocks down. The effect is the blocks falling. So thinking more in terms of a flowchart, you can think of your cause and then all of the effects branching outwards. So you can use this template to help you create your flowchart. So there are four components of your flowchart. You have to diagram the problem as cause and effect, which you're going to use these arrows for. Then you're going to answer these three questions in these bluish green boxes. When you are using this template, you can drag and drop these arrows and organize them however you need to. Remember, you can also create a text box by clicking text box and typing. So you can drag, move the text box wherever you want it to go. You can also insert pictures by going Insert Image, search the web, and then you have this space over here where you can type in problem. You can say human population. And there's all these graphs here, pictures that you can use. When you find one you want, you click it and you press insert. And then to resize the picture, you grab the corner boxes and drag it to your desired size. Once you complete your flowchart, you can answer the questions in these boxes. So they're already set up so you can start typing in them. So just press enter. So then you can have your space here. I'm going to show you a model of what your flowchart could look like. And then I'm going to help you answer some of these questions. So these questions, I'm going to quickly go through kind of what they're asking and questions that you can ask yourself to help you answer them. So this first question, what is the criteria of success in solving this problem? So you can, this is the first question. So the first question, what are the criteria of success in solving this problem? So some things that you can ask yourself. How would you know that the solution is good? What would you do and what would the results be? That can help you answer this question. Again, the problem that we're talking about is the problem that you're defining using all of the information that we learned in class. So I'll give you a hint. It does have something to do with humans and our growth or our population growth. So think more in terms of the impacts of those things, and that will help you figure out your problem. So you can use these sentence starters at the bottom. A solution would, or a good solution. A good solution would stop, blah, blah, blah. A good solution would help, blah, blah, blah. You can use these sentence starters and these questions to help formulate your answer. Second question, what are the constraints in solving this problem? So you can ask yourself questions like, what is hard about solving this problem? Or what could stop this problem from being solved? Then you can use this sentence frame. Blank, blank, and blank might make this problem hard to solve. So an example of what could go in this blank, maybe money, right? If a government doesn't have a lot of money, maybe they can't invest in solving this problem. Time, for if we only have 2 years to solve this problem, and this solution is going to take us 10 years, that could be a problem or a constraint in solving this problem. So again, you're thinking about the problem that you've defined. Next question, where do you think is the most feasible place for humans to intervene in this problem? So feasible just means the easiest. So you could ask these questions. How could people stop this issue from happening? And is there something easy that humans could do to prevent this problem? So if people blank, then this problem wouldn't happen. Example, flow chart. So that's the cause and the effects. My alarm didn't go off, so I'm late, and now I can't listen to music. So those are two of the effects of my phone not charging last night. So what are the criteria of success in solving this problem? Again, the problem is that my phone didn't charge. So a solution to this problem could be I make sure my phone is charged in the morning, right? So then I would be able to ensure that my phone doesn't die. What are the constraints in solving this problem? So me and my sister share a phone charger, so sometimes she takes it. So it's hard for me to charge my phone because my sister has the charger. So that is why sometimes my phone doesn't charge at night. Where do you think the most feasible place for humans to intervene in this process? So it would be the easiest for me to plug my phone in when I got home from school. Knowing that my sister and I share the charger, and sometimes she takes it. It would be easiest if I got the phone charger as soon as I got home and charged my phone. So you can refer back to these slides to help you answer these questions. But again, remember that you're defining your problem based on the lessons that we've completed previously. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your teacher and have fun creating your flowchart.